Hello, this is Tuck with Tuck GC, and today we are looking at a concrete patio in the backyard of a townhouse in Fairfax, Virginia. We just finished up, and as you see, everything looks really nice. In this particular project, we took both downspouts. You can see the white pipe there on that downspout, and there's a pop-up valve over there in the corner that you see. And then this pop-up valve here runs to the opposite corner over there to the left. So we were able to professionally bury all those underground, help with drainage. And then we positioned the patio low enough that in the future, if they wanted to put stone on this, they have the clearance on the door there to do a stone veneer. It was a nice touch, leaving this planter bed on the side. Gives them a nice way to bring some green into the project. And one of the things that was really particular about this job is with townhouses, it's always tough with access. So you can see we were kind of in the middle of the row. Way up there where that SUV is where we actually unloaded the concrete, took all the debris up, so we were able to demo out the slab back here, bring in all the gravel, concrete, and everything, and basically finish this project in one day. So being efficient, working hard like this, keeps our prices down so clients can afford to put in jobs like this at their house. So again, if you have any sort of project like this, please keep us in mind. We would love to earn your business. Give us a call and we'll give you an estimate for your project. Thanks for watching and have a good day.